This is Bill at the woodshed. Not processing wood today. Bad rainstorm, our power's out. Just had to run around and get some heavy duty extension cords for my generator. I'd rather be processing wood than dealing with this. This is Bill at the woodshed. The rain stopped. You can see there's a lot of water. I got all my cords run, and now the power came back on. Went and got extra cords and everything. Let's see, we got a lot of rain. The yard's flooded. The wood's all wet again. But who knows when it's going to come back on, so we got to be prepared.